Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
PT Phantom 2 is a pressurized insecticide aerosol that's broadly labeled to treat a wide variety of pests, like bed bugs or cockroaches. It can also be used in pantries or other food storage areas to kill stored product pests like Indian meal moths or drugstore beetles, and it can be applied to cracks and crevices around your home to stop overwintering pests like Asian lady beetles or boxelder bugs. PT Phantom 2 is made with the active ingredient Chlorfenapyr, a slow-acting chemical. Chlorfenapyr offers a different mode of action from many insecticides that use synthetic pyrethroids. While pyrethroids target the nervous system, Chlorfenapyr is a pyrrole, which inhibits energy production. This makes PT Phantom 2 a great product to use in any pesticide rotation plan to minimize pesticide resistance. The product is non-repelling, meaning that labeled pests will pass over treated areas without detecting the product. PT Phantom 2 is labeled to be used indoors and outdoors. If you're a pest control technician, PT Phantom 2's broad label even allows you to use this product in medical areas or commercial kitchens. While PT Phantom 2 has a broad label with many uses, it comes pre-mixed with fixed concentrations of its active ingredient. While this is great for ease of use, there's no way of gaining higher or lower concentrations for an even wider variety of applications. For a product with more user control, check out Flex 1010. Flex 1010 is labeled to treat many of the same pests that PT Phantom 2 is labeled to treat, like bed bugs, cockroaches, and ants. However, this product comes in a liquid concentrate and can be mixed with water to get varying concentrations. Chlorfenapyr is a slow-killing and long-lasting active ingredient, which makes it great for long-term control, but if you want a product with a quick knockdown and fast control of pests like bed bugs or flying insects, check out Pyrethroids. Pyrethroids is a powerful botanical insecticide made with pyrethrins and PBO. Pyrethroid works immediately on contact with pests, affecting their nervous system. This product can be used in indoor and outdoor areas for flies, gnats, mosquitoes, and pantry moths. It can also be used as a flushing agent to treat bed bugs or overwintering pests, hiding in deep cracks and crevices. Finally, PT Phantom 2 comes with a separate injection tube that needs to be manually affixed whenever you want to make a crack or crevice treatment. You may need to use ample force to ensure the tube is stuck tight and won't fall out during application. If you're looking for a product with the same active ingredient but easier to use, consider Spectre PS. Spectre PS is a pressurized insecticide aerosol made with the same amount of Chlorfenapyr as PT Phantom 2, but at a more economical price. Simply adjust the can's actuator to accommodate either a broad spray or a crack and crevice treatment. Before using PT Phantom 2, we recommend you wear your proper personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep children and pets away from treated areas until the product runs dry. PT Phantom 2 comes ready to use as a pressurized aerosol and comes with an injection tube. For spot treatments, use the can as is, but for crack and crevice applications, simply affix the injection tube into the can's actuator and you're ready to spray. Be sure to read the product's label printed on the can for specific directions regarding different applications. PT Phantom 2 can be sprayed to eliminate pests with contact, but it can be used for residual control to prevent potential outbreaks or keep infestations from spreading. For spot treatments, make sure the injection tube is not affixed into the actuator. Hold the can upright about 12 inches away from your target and spray all insects in the area, if any. When spraying indoors, limit your application to no more than 2 square feet of treated area per room. For crack and crevice treatments, ensure the injection tube is properly and firmly affixed into the actuator. Place the injector tip into cracks, crevices, or other small voids where you suspect pest activity, and spray at a rate of 3 linear feet, spraying in 1-second bursts. PT Phantom 2 can be sprayed in pantries, into the folds and seams of mattresses, around plumbing, behind and underneath large kitchen appliances, and in other cracks, crevices, or voids you may find in or outside your structure. When treating a mattress for bed bugs, apply only to the folds, seams, and edges of the mattress. Do not make surface applications to the bedding or the mattress itself. Once pests make contact with the application, the Chlorfenapyr will take time to metabolize in the pests' bodies. Under normal conditions, PT Phantom 2 leaves a residual known to last over 6 months that will protect treated areas from labeled pests. Be sure to make reapplications no more often than once every 4 weeks for continued control. Shop for PT Phantom 2 on our site or stop by any Solutions location to get yours today. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each type of pest, we've come up with a treatment method that's 100% guaranteed to work. Click the icon in the top right of the screen to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.